Hello friends, I welcome you on BYJU'S Exam Prep, India's most comprehensive preparation platform for all the engineers. All the candidates who are joining me live, just quickly confirm your presence in the comment section and tell me whether my audio, visual quality, everything is clear. Friends, today, before I start the session, I am hoping that your GATE 2022 examination has gone well. Whatever you have performed is something that cannot be changed. Now the time is to take some important decisions in your life. The time is to know how you can utilize your GATE score through GATE 2022 in the best possible way. What are the important opportunities you can avail using your GATE scorecard? And this is going to be very important. Maybe some students are planning to improve their score or improve their rank, but definitely the present is very, very important. So all the candidates who are joining me live, just quickly confirm your presence in the comment section. Everything is clear. So friends, today I'm going to discuss with all of you what is going to be the expected marks versus the GATE rank. How many marks you are getting in the GATE 2022 and approximately what rank you can expect out of your performance in the GATE examination. Are you with me, everybody? Just tell me in the comment section. Everybody is with me now? Yes? So let's start. I will be telling you the cutoff also, Nikhil, don't worry. So just tell me in the comment section, how was your exam? How was your GATE exam? So friends, let us start with the session. Some of you may be joining me for the first time. So there is a brief introduction about myself. My name is Ashutosh. As you can see on the screen, I have 10 plus years of teaching experience. Completed MTech from BYJU in 2010. I have written a couple of books and my areas of expertise are these. All the candidates who are joining us live, just quickly hit the like button, like and share this session with all your friends so that more and more people are going to be benefited with this effort, and subscribe to BYJU'S Exam Prep, ESE and GATE English YouTube channel if you have not subscribed till now, so that you get all the important notifications for all your important classes in time. Yes, everybody. Now, before we start discussing the expected rank versus your expected marks, let me just give you some important information about some of the important sessions which are going to happen. A very important strategy workshop for GATE 2023 aspirants is going to be conducted by our favorite Rakesh Talreja sir, and this is going to be scheduled tomorrow, that is 19th of February, 8 p.m. So just set your alarm right so that you do not miss this session if any of you planning for the next year GATE 2023 examination. Good evening everybody. Yes, Mr. Shakib, I will be taking your doubts also, so don't worry about that. Let me just start with the session. At the end of this session, I will give you enough opportunity to raise any type of doubts you are having regarding GATE or ESE preparation, and I will try my level best to answer all of your doubts. One more important thing, all the candidates who are seriously preparing for engineering services also, and they are going to write this year engineering services prelims examination that is going to be conducted on 20th of February. So my friend, we are coming up, BYJU'S Exam Prep is coming up with the ESE 2022 prelims live exam analysis, where we will be discussing the correct answer keys and the expected cutoff. For paper 1, that is the non-tech paper, which is going to be common for all the branches, the session is going to start, the live analysis is going to start 20th February at the same day, 6 p.m. in the evening. And for paper 2 technical, for each individual branch, it is going to be started at 8:30 p.m. So I hope you are going to attend this session. Anjali, I will be coming for your doubts also. Don't worry about that. Okay. Very less candidates. Can everybody just quickly share? Yes, I'm just starting. Now, before we discuss anything about what is going to be your expected marks and related rank, it is important to understand what has been the nature of GATE examination for 2022. So I will be just giving you some important inputs so that you can gauge what is going to be the difficulty level or the cutoff for 2022 GATE examination. Let us start with subjects, each and every subjects. For example, networks. 5 questions were asked from this subject, networks. the weightage is 6 marks, and our expert says that it was very easy. It was very easy for electrical engineering, I'm saying. The second subject is signal and system. Again, 5 questions. Together weightage is 9 marks and the level is easy to moderate. If you see control system, again 5 questions, 8 marks, again easy to moderate. If you see analog electronics, which is again very important subject, 5 questions, 7 marks, again easy to moderate. If you see digital electronics, the questions were quite straightforward. Only 2 questions were asked and the weightage is 2 again, and it was easy. Measurement and instrumentation, the number of questions were very less. And if you see the 2021 paper also, in the last year also the measurement questions were less, but you don't think that it is a trend. No, anytime next year you may find that the measurement questions are going to be increasing anytime. So don't get into this trap that okay, measurement less questions they are asking, so next year also they are going to ask less questions, so you start ignoring that subject. No. Are you getting this, everybody? Yes. Total weightage marks 2 and the level was easy. If you talk about power electronics, 7 questions were asked, the weightage was 11 and the difficulty level was moderate. If you see power system, significant number of questions were asked from power system, 7, the weightage was 10 and the level was easy to moderate. Because I deal with power system, let me give you some more insight about this particular subject, power system. If you see the questions which were asked in GATE 2022 examination, some of the questions, they look quite easy, direct and simple as far as power system is concerned. But if you see the solution, they have some twist in that, so that even if a student is quite sure that he has done that question right, there is a possibility of doing some silly mistake in that question. That is why we are saying it is easy to moderate. Electromagnetic field theory, good number of questions are generally, if you see apart from 2021, if you go up to 2021 also EMFT questions were increased, number of questions were increased, and this year also they have asked 4 questions, so they are giving more importance to EMFT. The weightage was, marks weightage was 7 and the difficulty level was moderate. If you see mathematics, which is most very common, mathematics, 7 questions asked and 13 marks as usual, moderate level. And if you see aptitude and engineering, yes, aptitude and English, sorry, so around 15 marks weightage was there and the level was easy to moderate. Is it clear for everybody? But let me tell you something which is going to be extremely important, and it is my personal view. You must be seeing that whenever a faculty comes to the platform, most of the time it is a general common sense. If you see from the faculty point of view, most of the faculties are saying that this question is easy, this question is also easy, this question is very easy. But you have to understand from a student point of view. When the students sit in the examination hall in that heat of the moment, when there is so much examination pressure, even the most simple question looks like tricky question, and it takes some time, and there is a high possibility of error even if you have done a good amount of preparation. So as per my analysis, the general conception which is projected for this year electrical engineering GATE examination, that the paper was very easy, according to my opinion, it is not that easy. It was a moderate level paper as usual, we have seen in the previous years also. So you do not expect that because the paper was very easy, so the cutoff is going to be extremely high. There can be a little bit jump, but not a quite significant jump. And you do not expect that the marks are going to be extremely high for most of the people. There may be some candidates who might have scored well, but still there is a possibility of mistake. Is it clear, everybody? Just tell me in the comment section. Are you able to follow this? So let me just give you some brief idea about how much marks you are getting and how much score you can expect this year. See, this is the data for 2021 GATE examination. This is the data for 2021 GATE examination, and as per the difficulty level, our experts have tried to approximately judge, or you can say tell you the possible range of marks and their related ranks, and this is going to be expected GATE 2022. I am writing expected because it is still not confirmed. Are you getting that? So my friend, as I told you that there may be some candidates who might be falling in the range of 84 to 90 marks this year. So definitely they are going to get a rank within 15. Are you getting this? But let me tell you, even though the paper looks like easy, it was not that easy. When the results are going to come, then you will understand my point that for most of the years, until unless there is a very significant change in the examination level or the difficulty level, we can't say it was extremely easy or extremely difficult. Because when the question paper is extremely difficult, then students can know about this. But when it is easy, it is not that easy for a student to understand, because from the student point of view, sitting in the heat of the examination hall and writing those questions, that may be little tricky from the student point of view. So you cannot say it was quite easy, extremely easy, even though it was easy to moderate. Again, if you are getting marks in the range 80 to 84, then as per our you can say analysis, you must be getting a rank under 40. If your marks are lying 73 to 80, then you will be getting a rank under 180, and this variation is going to be quite you can say quite random. For example, if you see, as you keep on moving towards the lower side of marks, the difference in the ranks is going to be very, very high. Even 1 or 2 marks difference can create a hell lot of difference between the ranks. So you can understand, suppose now we are going for 70 to 73 marks, people might be expecting a rank under 300. 65 to 70 marks, rank under 550. 60 to 65, rank under 1000, and 55 to 60, rank under 2000. So all the candidates, just tell me what is the score you are getting, what is your expected score in the GATE 2022 examination, and accordingly you can understand that in which rank you are going to lie. There may be some random changes, you can expect some changes in these ranks, because these are not the exact data, these are the expected data out of the experience we have seen from the previous GATE pattern, as per the difficulty level, the number of candidates sitting for the examination, and what type of questions are being asked or focused. I hope you are getting this. Is it clear, everybody? Just tell me in the comment section. So Mr. Mohit is getting 52. I think it's okay if you are getting 52. So somewhere around 2000 or 2500 rank you can expect. Any more candidates? Anyone who is getting more than 70 marks? Anyone who is getting more than 70 marks? See, as per my analysis, even though we are saying 70 to 73, under 300 and up to this, but you understand that if anybody in electrical GATE 2022 examination, if you are getting more than 70 marks, then you can be little sure. I cannot tell you exactly which IIT, which PSU you are going to get, but definitely if you are getting marks more than 70, then definitely something good opportunity you are going to have in your hands once the GATE result is going to be out. So you can be little bit more sure about that. All the candidates who are getting marks between 60 to 70, they are going to lie on the margins. There will be a possibility that even if you are eligible to apply in various IITs or the PSU job, but there is a high possibility of disqualification. So I would suggest those candidates who are getting marks in the range 60 to 70, then you should be ready with your alternate options also. You should not 100% rely on the GATE result. There are some other examinations which are going to come in future, and if you are getting 60 to 70 marks in the GATE examination, it reflects that you have done a good amount of preparation, and that preparation you can utilize and you can observe what are the gray areas where you have done some mistakes in the GATE examination, so that they do not occur again in the next examination. So definitely all those candidates who are getting marks in the range of 60 to 70 marks, definitely you should try and channelize your potential for alternate options also for jobs or other opportunities if you are looking for. Is it clear for everybody? Just tell me in the comment section. So this is all from my side for this session. I hope I have given you some idea about your GATE score and the possible GATE marks and the possible range in which your rank may lie. So this is all from my side. If you have any questions, your questions are most welcome. Tell me. Now this is open for all. Mr. Tarun Singhal is getting 74.33 general. So I think that is a good score. You can expect that you must be getting something, some good opportunity you must be getting. I can't say which PSU, which IIT, but definitely some good result you can expect out of your GATE performance. So friends, if you have any more doubts, your doubts are most welcome. Just tell me in the comment section if you have any doubt. Yes. Prince. See, if you just want to clear the GATE examination, okay, let me tell you, even this year you may find that the cutoff is going to be somewhere around 35, okay. Last year, if you see, if I remember exactly, I think it was around 38 or 39 marks. I don't remember exactly, but it was somewhere around that. But even if it is 35 or 39, what is the change it is going to make in your career? Because simply qualifying the GATE examination is not going to give you anything as far as your career is concerned. You can expect a good career only and only if you are getting a rank up to 2000 or 2.5k. 2000 up to 2000 you must be getting some good opportunities. Beyond 2000 it's your luck and what you want to do with your GATE score, that depends. But beyond 2000 or maximum 2.5, there are not going to be good opportunities with the GATE examination, GATE score, as per your GATE score. Definitely Tarun Singhal, you can expect PSUs under 150 rank also, but there may be some fight for the group discussion and the interview stage. For that purpose, you have to be really prepared, Suppose you are fighting with a student who is getting a rank under 50. He also wants to get into the same PSU and your rank is suppose maybe XYZ. I don't know what is going to be your exact rank. But if a 150 rank student has to fight with the rank 50 students for a PSU job, then definitely he must be very well prepared for the group discussion and the interview stage. That is the area where you can make a difference. I'm not aware about this, what you are asking. You can contact the backend team, okay. See, the best thing is you know what you have done in your examination, in your GATE question paper. You can see the live analysis, answer keys are there, PDF is also going to be available. So you can match how many correct questions you are getting, what are the penalties, what are the negative marking, and you can approximately judge what is going to be your GATE score, and accordingly you can fit your score into the respective GATE rank. Is it clear, everybody? You can ask n number of doubts if you have. If you have any doubts, you can ask me freely about your GATE score, about your GATE rank. If possible opportunities you want to know in a very crisp manner, I can tell you some solution, some idea I can give you. Yes, everyone, just tell me in the comment section. Yes. Yes, anyone? See, it is a hypothetical question. One candidate is asking, sir, is it worth to drop 3 years for PSU? It's your decision. Nobody can decide that. Are you getting that? This is a hypothetical question. Mr. Mohit is asking, sir, MTech from new IITs is good. See, there are two answers to this question. The first answer is, if you want to go for a research, then definitely getting into the IIT network is going to give you a lot of advantages, lot of benefits. For example, some new IIT, suppose you are taking the admission where some particular research options are going to be good. They are good. After completing your post-graduation, you can project yourself for some better IITs, because if you are from IIT, you have qualified GATE with a good score, then definitely you get more benefit when you go for the research or the PhD. So getting into the IIT network is going to be beneficial for those candidates who want to go for research or higher studies. Second, If you simply want to go for a job, then there are some new IITs which have some good campus placements also. So you can see what are those particular IITs, new IITs, where you can get your dream job. We will be also coming up with some important details about the important IITs, NITs, what are the career options once your GATE examination result is going to be out. Next question, Mr. Kumar is asking, sir, 530 GATE score any NIT? Little difficult, my friend. 530 getting NIT is little difficult. It should be minimum. It should be minimum more than 650 minimum. Okay. Okay. Next, Sandeep. Sandeep is asking, sir, 76.02 equal to 76. So if you are getting 76, my best wishes. Definitely you are going to be, what is going to be his rank? 76 under 180. Under 180 rank you can expect. Student stunts expected GATE cutoff around 35. 35. Okay, plus minus 2 marks, 1 or 2 marks. No, my friend Anjali, please try to understand. GATE is not that difficult if you understand. All the candidates who are getting 70 plus marks, there are two reasons why they are getting 70 plus marks. Number one, they have done a good preparation. Are you getting this? Please listen my words very carefully. I am telling you these things because of my experience in these type of examinations for past more than 10 years. Any candidate who is getting more than 70 plus marks in the GATE examination, there are simply only two reasons for that. Number one, he has done a good preparation. Second, he has developed a good technical attitude, or you can say aptitude, which is required for the GATE examination. Simply completing your syllabus is not going to be enough for the GATE examination. That may be enough for other exams like engineering services or any other PSU job where written is there. But for GATE examination, simply completing the subject is not going to be enough. You have to go into the depths of the concepts. Very simple concepts you have to understand from the very fundamental manner. That is the thing. So you have to develop that technical bent of mind, that technical aptitude, and that only comes if you are getting a right direction, right guidance, and you are using the right resources. That is very, very important. So it is not at all difficult. It is simply a strategic preparation which is required. Yes, Sandeep is asking, sir, what is the chance of getting IOCL or NGC with 76? High possibility. I would say IOCL, ONGC, there is a high possibility if you are getting 76 plus marks. But I can't be sure because there are some other rounds also. There are going to be some group discussions rounds also. There are going to be some interview stages also. And every stage you have to perform well. Are you getting this? See, I'm not aware about this predictor. Okay, you can talk to the backend team. If it is available, you can avail it. Okay. Chandrasekhar is saying 72.67. What is the rank? See, what is the rank you can expect if you are getting 72? Somewhere around 200 to 300 you can expect. Somewhere around 200 to 300. So I hope enough questions, and I have tried my level best to answer most of your questions. If you have any more questions, and if you are watching this session even in the recorded form, do not hesitate to put your questions in the comment section. I will try my level best to answer even those comments also. The candidates who are not with us possibly in the live session, if you ask your questions in the comment section, I will try to answer that also. So friends, thank you so much for joining me live in the discussion. It was a delight talking to you this particular topic. So thank you so much and keep watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation platform for all the engineers. Thank you so much. Take care. Yes, Mr. Sandeep, you can ask your one more question. Tell me fast. What is your question? No need to take the permission. Directly you can throw your question. Yes, Mr. Sandeep. See, I would suggest you one thing. He's asking a very good question. He's trying to compare a particular job in ISRO and in NTPC. Some of the most reputed public sector jobs you can expect, that he's trying to compare. Please understand. See, there are some PSU jobs like BARC, ISRO, okay, DRDO, and some other, which are more about research, If you see NTPC, even if you go for generation also, state-wise generation utilities, if you go for power grid, so they are going to be different kind of job. The jobs which require a research bent of mind, they are ISRO, BARC, DRDO and similar jobs. But when you go for jobs like NTPC, power grid or some state generation units, then you can understand the NTPC, power grid and other similar PSU jobs, they are going to be more and more of managerial in nature. At the end of the day, you will be, definitely you are using your technical knowledge, but most of the work that you are going to do is going to be managerial in nature. But when you go for jobs like ISRO, DRDO or BARC, it is going to be more of a research type of job. The nature of the job is research. So you decide in which direction you want to shape your career. If you want to go into a research field, if you are having a vision of 5-year, 10-year, 20-year, then you can go and choose BARC, ISRO, DRDO type of research organizations. If you want to simply get into a good job where you get a good amount of salary, where you get a good amount of social recognition and you get a good life, then you can go for these types of jobs also. Is it clear, friends? Thank you so much, Wagmi. So friends, before I leave, your favorite and my favorite Chandan sir is in the session, and thank you so much, sir, for coming to the session. It's a delight having you in the session, and I hope all the students are going to be quite happy having you in the session. So candidates, just say hi to Chandan sir. So any more questions, friends? So let us just conclude the session. It was a great time talking to you, and let us connect once again in some other session, and we are going to discuss some important informations, details regarding your GATE and ESE examination. Thank you so much. Take care. Thank you everybody. Thank you. Take care. Thank you.